In this video, we will show you how to make presentation attractive in PowerPoint. So let's start. Go to Insert and select the text box. Type 10 times here. Select and pick a new font. Go to Format. Go to Text Effect. Click on Transform and select this. Increase the size. Go back to Insert. Click on Picture. Here, I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Click on Right button and cut the picture. Again, click on Right button. Go to Format Background. Select this shape. Select Text option. Click on Picture or Texture fill and insert picture from clipboard. Select background color using eyedropper. Go to Insert and select the text box. Write Select and change the font. Make it bold. Increase font size. Select text box. Add information here. Add an icon suitable for education here. Now click on Slideshow. So, see friends, our cover slide looks beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.